One of the biggest reasons that people feel confused about UGC, which is known as user-generated content, is because it's often explained as though it's influencer marketing. And that leads people to think that you have to have a huge following on social media to be able to even do user-generated content. And that misunderstanding alone stops so many creators from even starting. So today I want to clearly break down the difference, because once this clicks, the UGC business model makes complete sense. Influencer marketing is audience-based. Brands pay influencers to post content on their own social media channels like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. It's them posting the content to their own audience, which is why follower count, reach, engagement are extremely important in that world. The UGC world works differently. UGC is content creation as a service. Brands are not paying for your audience. They're paying for the content that you create itself. When a brand hires a UGC creator, they're hiring someone that produces short form video content or even photos that the brands can use across their own channels like paid ads, websites, email marketing, and social media. And that's why follower count doesn't matter in UGC. Brands already have distribution, ad accounts, and customers. What they need is a consistent flow of reliable, native-looking content that performs well on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Another big misconception is that UGC has to be posted publicly. In reality, most UGC content is delivered to the brand completely privately and never posted on the creator's pages at all. The brand repurposes the content wherever they need it, and the creator is paid for creating the content, not posting the content. This is also why beginners can get paid without having visible content posted on their own feeds, and visible brand deals as well. UGC happens completely behind the scenes, and this is what makes it so beginner friendly. Brands are not looking for polished influencers. They're looking for content that feels real, human, relatable, authentic, and trustworthy. What matters most is your ability to follow a brief. And if you're not familiar with what a brief is basically the brand's concepts put into one document. It's their mission, their values, their key selling points. It's the way they want you as a creator to convey their message as the brand into your content. What also matters to them is that you communicate clearly and deliver usable content to them on time, not how many followers that you have or how long you've been creating. Where people get stuck is when they treat UGC like it's influencer marketing. They wait to grow on social media before they even start pitching to brands. They focus on posting instead of building a professional portfolio. And they undervalue their work because they think that views determine pay. But once you understand that UGC marketing and influencer marketing are two completely different things and two completely different business models, solving two completely different problems, everything becomes clear and much less overwhelming. If you want a clearer understanding of where UGC fits and how this works from the beginner foundations to building sustainable income as a UGC content creator, everything is organized in one place for deeper context. At my website, it's socialg.com. We have free resources in there, a free community, a free guide, a beginner course, and a pro course that lays everything out to help you get started as a UGC content creator in 2026. So check those out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and please make sure to like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next video.